Hey there. Have you ever gone hunting for a free AI tool to turn your images into awesome videos, only to end up disappointed? I totally get it. Most tutorials out there are either clickbait traps or push tools that sound free but aren't. Some hit you with upfront payments, others tease you with a few credits that barely get you started, and even the free versions, they slap a giant watermark on your video or tank the quality so bad it's unusable. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today with Digital Dopamine, I'm showing you a 100% free, unlimited way to create high-quality AI videos from your images. No watermarks, no catch. Plus, it works on both PC and mobile, and I'll walk you through making landscape and portrait videos step by step. No complicated setups, no fluff, just simple, practical tips to get you going fast. Stick with me to the end, because by the time we're done, you'll be blown away by what you can create. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, click the link in the description or pinned comment to head over to the tool's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see tons of cool pre-made creations. Click on any video that catches your eye, and on the left, you'll spot the prompt used to make it. You can copy that prompt or remix the video yourself. Super handy. Now hit Create, then Create Video to open your personal workspace. This is where the magic happens. With unlimited options we'll explore together. But before we start, let's unlock those unlimited free credits so you can make as many videos as you want. This part's key, so listen up. Click the Charge button at the top. It'll pull up a login page. But here's the trick. Don't use your main Gmail. Instead, we're using temp mail to score free credits over and over. Open a new tab, search temp mail, and click the first site. You'll see a temporary email pop up. Don't copy it yet, scroll down, hit delete, then refresh for a brand new email. Copy that, head back to the AI site, paste it into the sign up box, and click Get Code. Switch to temp mail. Check your inbox for the verification code. Copy it, paste it back on the AI site, and hit Continue with email. Set a password, anyone you like, click Done, and boom. You're in with 300 free credits, enough for 10 to 15 videos. Other sites don't give you this much for free, and with temp mail, you can repeat this trick anytime. Okay, you've got your credits. Let's make a video. On the left side of your workspace, you'll see an image upload box. Click Upload, pick an image from your device, and watch it pop up. Don't have an image? No problem. This tool can generate one for you. Scroll down to the image prompt box, type something fun, like a cute puppy playing in a park, and hit Generate. In seconds, you've got an AI-made image. Heads up though, these can be a little hit or miss. So for the best results, I'd stick with pre-made images you've got on hand, or ones from a more advanced tool. Want to learn how to make consistent AI images for free? Check out my last video, linked in the description and up in the corner. Now, let's customize. At the top, middle, pick music from the built-in library or upload your own. Background tunes make your video pop. Next, there's a lip sync toggle. Turn it on, and the AI animates the character's lips to match the audio. Costs 60 credits. Turn it off, and it's just 30 credits with smooth animation. Your call, everything's free to play with. Below that, in the video prompt box, type how you want your image to move. If you used an AI image, reuse that prompt here for consistency. Once it's all set, hit Generate Video. It'll deduct 30 or 60 credits and take 1 to 3 minutes to process. Here's the clutch moment. Downloading your video without a watermark. As soon as it's ready and you see optimizing your video, act fast. On PC, right-click the video and pick Save Video As. On mobile, press and hold, then tap Download Video. Do it quick, wait too long, and a watermark might sneak in. If it does, no stress, just regenerate and grab it faster next time. Since this is free and unlimited, you've got all the tries you need. Now play your video, look at that. High quality, smooth, realistic animation that looks pro level. With motion so natural, you'd swear it was filmed. Next, it's perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Upload your image, add music, set your prompt, and generate again. Download it the same way, and you've got viral-ready content in minutes. See how easy that was? These AI animated videos have huge viral potential. People love dynamic, engaging stuff, and this method nails it. Whether it's storytelling, marketing, or social media, you've got a free, unlimited edge. Need more credits? Just redo the temp mail trick for a fresh account. 0 restrictions, 0 fees. All fun. If you love this, hit that like button, it helps a ton, and subscribe for more free AI tutorials like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. Before you go, check out the next video popping up on your screen. If it's there, it's worth watching. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one. Bye.
You are tuned in to Digital Dopamine.